Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the thorough newspaper analysis for 2nd December 2022. So, today we are not dealing with any editorial article as such, and instead we'll be focusing on the news update and the legal news for today. Now, firstly, we have the world's largest active volcano erupts in Hawaii. The world's largest active volcano, Hawaii's Mauna Loa, has erupted for the first time in almost 40 years. The lava flow is mostly contained within the summit, but residents have been placed on alert and were earlier warned about the risk of falling ash. The US Geological Service has said that the situation could change rapidly, and the volcano's alert level has been upgraded from an advisory to a warning, which is the highest classification. Secondly, we have the 22nd Indian Ocean Rim Association Council of Ministers meeting. Now, India participated in the 22nd Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association held at Dhaka in Bangladesh. The Indian delegation was led by Minister of State for External Affairs Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh. Thirdly, we have China launches 3 astronauts to its under construction space station. The arrival of 3 astronauts, Pei Yonglong, Deng Qingming, and Zhang Lu, will mark the first crew rotation on the space station, with 2 teams overlapping for 5 to 10 days before the Shenzhou 14 crew, who landed at the station in June, returns to Earth. Fourthly, we have 7th edition of Global Technology Summit. The 7th edition of Global Technology Summit is being held in New Delhi in a hybrid format. The summit is India's annual flagship event on the geotechnology and is co-hosted by the Ministry of External Affairs and Carnegie India. Fifth, and the last news update for today, we have PT Usha elected unopposed as the president of Indian Olympic Association. Former athlete PT Usha has been elected unopposed as the president of the Indian Olympic Association, or the IOA. She was the lone contender and was elected after no other nominations were filed till the deadline. The elections were due to be held in the month of December. Union Law Minister Kiran Rijiju congratulated the former athlete on her election. With this, we move on to the legal updates for today. We have Chapter 8 CRPC provisions not to be used as vehicle for punishment. Now, the Supreme Court in the case of Istkar versus State of Uttar Pradesh observed that the provisions of Chapter 8 of the Code of Criminal Procedure are merely preventive in nature and are not to be used as a vehicle of punishment. The demand of excessive and arbitrary amount of security bond is impermissible as it stultifies the spirit of Chapter 8 of the Code, the bench of Justice Dinesh Maheshwari and Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia said. So with this, we come to an end for the today's rendition of the thorough newspaper analysis. For free study materials and TNA PDF slides, please join our Telegram channel, the link of which you can find in the description of the YouTube video, or you can always scan the barcode that is given on your screen. For any further information, please feel free to visit www.lawsikho.com. Thank you.